Valentine's Day is around the corner and I found some very nice lipstick shades that I'm gonna swatch in this video. If you're not celebrating with your partner, you can also go out with your friends and get inspired by the lipsticks that I'm gonna show you. And I found 13 lipsticks, 7 of them are high-end and 6 of them are more affordable. I wanted to round them down to 10 lipsticks, but I just couldn't, and I was swatching and swatching. I didn't know which one to leave behind, so we have 13. I picked up pink shades, purpley, peachy, corally. I wanted to create a romantic color palette, and if you want to see red lipstick swatches, I have done a dedicated video with 10 gorgeous red lipsticks that I'm going to link in the description box below. In the comments, let me know what is your favorite shade of today's video, and I'm gonna start with one of my favorite lipsticks that I found in 2022 and I was using a lot, and this one is a Huda Beauty cream lipstick in the shade Hustla or Hastla. Hastelei. I can never remember the pronunciation of this lipstick. It is one of those things that goes in one ear and comes out from the other. And first of all, I'm going to remove what I have now on my lips. It is the NYX This Is Juice Gloss in the shade Pomegranate Cloud, and this is actually a very light, super glossy gloss. You can also use this one for Valentine's Day. The Huda Beauty lipstick has such a beautiful light beige color. It gives a very beautiful glowy finish. It is very comfortable, very pigmented. Not everyone likes pinky lipstick, so I decided to have this, and it can look amazing on any skin tone. With this lipstick shade you can create a brown smoky eye look, something darker or neutral. It also gives a fuller look to the lips. I love this. And let's continue now with a more affordable option, and this one is the Wet n Wild Mega Last Lip Color in the shade Rosebud. This one has a stiffer consistency. It reminds me a lot of the NYX matte lipsticks, however the finish is different. With this one we have a satin finish, and we have here a rosy warmer shade. I think it has a little bit of orange. The opacity is super nice on the lips. It is a more wearable pinky shade that you can wear everywhere basically, and it's gonna look great for Valentine's Day. I really like this. After that, I want to continue with the Essence Hydra Matte Lipstick in the shade 403 Peach It. I wanted to have something romantic, but not everything to be pink. So this one has a very nice soft matte finish, and we have a light peachy color. This shade can look very nice with eyeliner on the eyes and mascara, or even a peachy eye look. Yeah, why not? I have done lip swatches for all of the shades of the Hydra Matte Lipsticks by Essence. I'm going to have a link in the description box. And let's continue with another lipstick by Laura Mercier. This is the Silky Creamy Lipstick in the shade A La Rose. This one is a beautiful lavender pinky lipstick. It is very creamy. The formula reminds me a lot of the previous lipstick by Essence. I don't have all of the Laura Mercier lipsticks, so I can't do comparison swatches. It can look great with pink and purple eyeshadows. You can also use those colors for eyeliner. I want to show you some darker shades as well, so moving on to this one by L'Oreal. This is the Color Rich lipstick in the shade 265 Rose Pearl. This one has a beautiful warmer purple shade with a golden sheen. It has a satin finish. It is super gorgeous. It gives a healthy glow to the lips, and also it makes them fuller. This is such a luxurious color. And after that, I want to continue with one of my favorite shades to use every day, and this is the MAC Matte Lipstick in the shade Mer. We have here a dusty pink lip shade. I love dusty pink lipsticks. This one here is on the darker side. I also like lighter shades of dusty pink lipsticks. I like everything basically. If it is dusty pink, I mean, you can see my t-shirt as well. I think this is the ultimate romantic shade, and you can also wear it every single day. This lipstick gives a soft matte finish. It is very lightweight and comfortable on the lips. After that, I want to show you something a little bit brighter, and this one is the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Supreme Gloss in the shade Watermelon Soda. This is a pink corally lip gloss. This is the only lip gloss that I have in this video, but it is super glossy, super pigmented. This formula is supreme, like the name. It looks like a lipstick with a gloss on top of it. It is a lot brighter than all of the other shades, but I wanted to have something different in case that you are bored with the very light shades. This shade is more vibrant, so you can do something lighter for the eyes, mascara and eyeliner. Glitter eyeliner is also an option. It can go with this lip gloss. And now let's go to a NYX lipstick. This one is a sweat matte lipstick in the shade Clinger. We have here a beautiful magenta lipstick, and it looks a little bit brighter than it is because of the studio lights that I have. This lipstick has a very lightweight formula. It is super creamy and spreadable. It has great color payoff. It has a satin finish and it looks great on the lips. This one is super fantastic for a summer makeup look as well. And then let's go to something more wearable, and this is by Maybelline, the Color Sensational lipstick in the shade 157 More to Adore. This is a lighter pinky lip shade. This one gives a shiny finish on the lips, and usually it looks softer on me, but today I have done a lot of lip swatches and my lips are looking beaten up. I wanted to have a lighter shade in this video because you can use it on the center of the lips to create an ombre effect and also to make your lips look fuller. Maybelline lipsticks smell amazing. I love the scent. And the next product is another Essence Hydra Matte lipstick. This one is in the shade 401 Movement. This one is a beautiful cool toned light lavender lipstick and I really like it. I think it is very wearable even though it is lavender and cool toned. You can match this lipstick shade with a graphic eyeliner look, maybe in purple shades. Essence released 2 more shades for the Hydra Matte lipsticks and I have placed an order. So as soon as I get my package, I'm gonna do a lipstick swatches video with the new shades and the previous shades. And then I want to show you a very unique shade that I really love. It is by Marc Jacobs, the Le Marc Liquid Lip Crayon in the shade 360 Plum and Get It. It is a dark purple magenta shade with a lavender sheen. It is super gorgeous, very lightweight, very spreadable, and the great thing with lip crayons is that you have a lip liner and a lipstick together. This formula is super creamy. I have it in 2 more shades and they are unbelievable. I don't have a lot of Marc Jacobs products, but their lipsticks are amazing. Every time that I'm wearing this lip product, I get a lot of questions because it looks like I have 2 products on my lips, but I have only this one. I love this shade as well. Following that, I have one more lip crayon. This time it is a more affordable one, and it is the Maybelline Superstay Ink Crayon in the shade 35 Treat Yourself. This one is a little bit stiffer than the Marc Jacobs lip crayon. Also, it reminds a lot the NYX Sweat lipstick, but it's not the same. The Maybelline lip crayon is a little bit more purpley. It is magenta purpley. It has a soft matte finish, and also this lip crayon comes with a sharpener on the other side to make the tip pointy every time that you want to use it. And let's continue now with one of the more expensive lipsticks of today's video. We have here the Satin Allure lipstick by Pat McGrath Labs in the shade Entranced. This one is a purple brown lipstick with a glowy finish, and I think it is very romantic for a Valentine's Day makeup look. It gives me Romeo and Juliet vibes. The formula is very comfortable, and if you want to see red lipsticks, you can watch this video here.